You want that?
Should we take his jacket off?
Huh?
No, he's gonna get his jacket on. Careful.
Healing.
Want to take his jacket off? He's gonna get all dirty. Oh! Is that your birthday cake?
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Day, dear Heelan. Happy birthday
to you. Blow it
Gotta
out.
blow it out.
Blow out the candle. Blow it out.
Blow it out. Happy Mom, we are so...
You want some cake? It's a bee. It's a car.
Ooh, it's got some frosting on the bottom. You like your birthday cake, honey?
Don't eat the candle.
Just lick it. Don't chew it. You like is it chewable? Look at your little car. There's a bee in it.
Are you so recording?